To get rich, you don't need to work hard. You don't need to starve yourself to save money. All you have to do is to know those strategies for getting rich. Zig Ziglar said, "Money isn't everything, but it's right up there with oxygen." There's a difference here. Those thriving to get more and more money should be doing something different, right? Otherwise, we all should get rich because we all work, we all sleep, we all eat the same food, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. But still, when you look, there are two categories of people: the rich and the poor. Just as I said in the beginning, the difference lies in the strategies they use. As long as we don't know those strategies, we're just going nowhere fast. So let's see what those strategies are. 1. Stop doing the same thing over and over again. You're working at a job, going to a factory or company and working in there from 9 to 5. You go to school and teach students, or you might be a manager yourself. But all you get every month is the same salary. So you gotta do something different to get out of this rut you're in. 2. If you remember in the previous clips, I said that mindset is one of the keys and probably the most important key to getting rich and successful. If you think rich, you're rich. And if you think broke, you will be broke. Think of your high goals, your ideas, whatever you think it can make you tick. Then get on the path to realizing that dream. 3. Have more than one source of income. Thomas Corley, in his 5-year study on millionaires, found that 65% of the rich have 3 sources of income, 45% have 4 sources, and 29% have 5 or more sources. They do business either in renting a house, buying stocks, or also partnering in commercial organizations. If you want to get rich, you must not depend on one single income. That's very, very important. 4. Invest your money. Grant Gordon, who became a self-made millionaire at the age of 30, said, "The only way to save your money is to invest it in something else." Save your money somewhere safe and don't spend it on anything, even in emergencies. Investment is a risk, but it is one of the most effective ways to get rich. 5. Don't worry about the money for your big ideas. Steve Siebold, in his book How Rich People Think, says, "The rich always think about creative ideas and don't care about the budget for that because they can provide it by others. Your mind is a box of treasure and you have to use it." 6. The last but not the least, follow your likes. If you remember the previous clips, I said that every human is created to achieve one thing in life. You can't put all of them in the same category. The first thing you have to pay attention to is your talents and what you really crave and like in life. Then comes the money. If you spend your life just to earn money, I assure you that you will as well be wasting your life. Thank you for watching this video. You can click on the link below to subscribe to our channel where we have plenty of more videos for you.